I'm in Old Hutong in Beijing. Let me show you how hard it is to park here. Look at the hub, it's scratched. How was it parked? It's just a fist distance from the wall. Such a distance is a failure in Hutong. It's so near to the wall. Look, it almost scratches the wall. Now you know how hard it is to park in a hutong. Let's challenge that difficult today. Alright, rolled out. I can't pass. I've got steel tape. No, just 2 meters, a bit wider than my car. No, we can't make trouble with the others. Let's go to another. This is wide enough, but we still have to be careful. Well, there's another car. It's a new one. I shall back my car. There's a right angle behind that girl's car, so don't let her back. Han, isn't she the girl who asked you to maintain her car? Isn't that Didi? Aha, she's that girl. It's not easy here for a girl with such a car. Han, isn't she a good driver? It's difficult for a girl to drive in such a hutong. It has a good noise for hutong. So easy. Talk to her, Didi. It's HanLu. Can't recognize me?
Mr. Han? Why did you come here?
Why are you here?
I'm living here.
A rich woman in downtown Beijing. We're videoing how jammed the hutong is. Let's talk then. You just bought it.
Yeah, just pick it up. See? A temporary license.
Isn't it? You buy it because of the color and don't know other features.
How could I be so dumb? I did the homework before buying it. Look, there is a big makeup mirror, which can be used for touching up my foundation.
The feel right, gorgeous, a large shotgun, enough space for your best time, same mirrors.
Yeah, for both of us. I can place my phone here to recharge it. I can also put my earrings here. Its seats and wheel are all designed for we girls, which are comfortable and small.
There are more you don't know. The car thrills me. Let me tell you. How you not recharged it yet?
No?
Electric lit, slow charging nice. Press the cat cow and it's closed.
So cute.
Isn't it a small battery version or a big one?
The endurance of over 400 kilometers.
Why didn't you buy the one over 500?
I don't use it thoroughly. I just drive it to collect some rents.
Were you a lawyer?
I quit. It was just my interest, so I resigned when I felt bored.
So rich. It's hard to park here. What if you scratch it?
It's so easy, small and deft. Besides, it has a full view image, so I just need to back it and drive forward. Drop down.
I don't know what to say. Alright, go home then. See you. We're videoing.
Mr. Han?
We won't have water or see you shining treasure. Haha.